Itiski TV, Highlands Park, nil. Mamelodi Sundowns 1 after extra time. Before we start talking, as usual, please send us your messages via video call messages via the number that appears on the screen. We'll make sure that by Monday we'll put it on the Itiski TV fans show. Make sure you send those messages as early as Sunday, because when we get to Monday, we cannot accept any further messages. Right, Junior? A very tactically demanding game. Highlands Park came to Mamelodi Sundowns, very defensive at times, but they were very dangerous on counter-attacks.
Yeah, Ngululeko, a very tactical game, as you're saying. It can be more of our coaches, especially. Let me not say it's two both coaches. Owen Takama, because we can play na we keep in shape. Obviously, Sundowns respect the way approaching a corner game. Ubonile bekumuntu o very concerned nge-Sundowns, mara also funa ukuyicatch up ngama-counter attack. But the problem Ntakama, I always say mina nginenkinga nama-coaches afana no Ntakama, especially umcoachile. Mayinkinga ka-Ntakama mabrada ngisasho namanje. Who can you pick as a bafana player? You understand? I'm 30 pro to Musa Nyatama. Musa beat a little bit spark, but you can see match fitness. Musa got right. Sundowns, my brother Shilo. I respect this team. I grew up with Kaizer Chiefs, my brother. Chiefs is like a second home game, and the technical team at Towns is like rolling cool. It's not the team that I won 4 years, 5 years ago at Towns. The likes of Pesitao, Kigen Toli, and also this boy Kamapilat, Castro, Abozungu. Mara, with the experience that they have in Kev, you can see that rolling cool because. He experienced it a little rolling cool. As Miksho Namanje, last 10 minutes they put them for Nukeleso. And he had to make it different. And Gudulego Chedi the Sundowns have got that. Whoever is starting at Towns, Ungizogat, yeah. We know they play most Uchadi and Trompe Middle. And most those are players that are Nkawabo, also playmakers. Because they don't believe in most of our players like protective pick for no. They've got players who can defend also play. Uchadi Nomchitalo Trompokekan. And so also they've got to Serino, they've got to Mshishi, they've got to Uvila. But I'm a bit disappointed with Uvila and Sashona Manj. Uvila mean for the coach to keep Umeza. I respect to Mr. Mesiman. But for him taking out Umeza today, I think he being a commanding cool. His decision was wrong. Villa must show Kurulego is playing by now at Downs. I think he's been here many years and it's not been showing. It's not the same player that you saw go Vets, a player of the season go PSL years ago and player of the season. Bafana player, regular led Bafana. Villa is not, I'm sorry, sense of agency is not there. Lazy man, I'm sorry Gushoganje. Minang Kalangay Kakulu. He coach Yenzi put up by replacing Umeza, leaving Villa. Yeah.
There's also, of course, a penalty incident which we saw Musa Nyatama scoring a goal. It looked like a goal when we were inside. A lot of people thinking it was not a legitimate offside, but of course we got an opportunity to see it once again. What do you think about that situation?
Nami first goal. Mara mina mangi pega shoot slow mina nawe. It was offside. Shoulder Musa, yeah, a little bit. Musa he was offside. You understand? Singa confuse we offside. Ngokuvela nje kancane Musa was offside. And another thing my brother ngishoka nje ngisasho. Owen by bringing Musa, he did a very good you understand? A good thing. If we can get abantu abanjengo Musa more than Boma 4. You understand? I wish Musa can play with Yeye. I wish Owen can get players that are fluid on the ball, because mostly Owen is a player that is a team that the most is a defensive team, one of the fittest team but defensive. We understand. So nginenkinga ngendlela dlala ngayo. Vele bengamniki kule game yanamhlanje. You understand?
All right, so the problem with Owen Takama is that he has inferior players than the Sundowns. So he plays defensively. I'm not defending him, but how do you solve that problem? Because you can't go toe to toe with the Sundowns. That's why you rely largely on a counter attacks if you saw the game.
No, I mean I disagree. He's playing who? when Takama is playing home, definitely shows Sundowns has got experience, my brother. He's not a team that you saw him 4 years. You saw them 4 years back in terms of Abo Kama, Abo Kigendoli, Abo Castro, as Abo Zuma. Mara with the experience Kev, and Jobang is a technical team. Itali ruling Gulmanga check and Namsanje. Each team as a whole, you can see Gutama player Manya Rastila, players such as Mabuye, players such as Mabunda, losing so many balls, but Rusty. But with the quality, it doesn't play often. But you have to come and make it different. That's why I'm saying last thing. Sometimes will take the league. Technical team. Umangoba was a head coach. Career. Me and Pizzo coach. I know one of the mastermind coach. You understand because the game I win a pension. You must have a plan B. So sometimes I check and I'm trying plan B. If you need and I'm trying Highlands Park, be 1-on-1. Sure. Owen is not the coach who's playing this thing. I'm a tactics and we want to know. But with this thing, you go see so individual presence. Individual presence so it's corner today. Gule can be so very we need individual presence and so did it. Yeah.
All right. The reality is that Sundowns, the Stellenbosch in Cape Town. 3 days later, Isama Kulong. 2 days later, they have to go to Pirates. They've already played 2 hours the extra time. Lana, what do you see going forward? Tuesday we'll be at Pretoria at Loftus, going to that game.
Yeah, Ngululeko, very very demanding for players. Maunga understand the border. You might check it very easy. Sundowns, Maunga check and I'm taking extra time. And they're playing 3 days as usual. Itali ruling Gulu. I'm a player they exhausted. But I think Pitzum Simang is very clever. Guzobani ice part tomorrow for players relaxing. As a clever coach, definitely the 11 that has played. These 18, I'm sure obvious Sabochali they need to come back. That's why I had to rest them. You understand about Charlie as Nisho, Lumfanum Shishi, Gastin Serino. You understand? But in such an amount, you feel I'm sorry. Villa must show up, man. I'm very disappointed with him. He must show sense of urgency in Gululeo. He's been absent. You understand? Sonia Kulma, I don't think it will be more. Yeah, yes. Masipega Situ, Solo Stars Situ, Mara Ungiz, Angegi coach is very mastermind. He knew good players are Telepentin if they're not going to show up today. He's about if coming back to the team. So they had to come and prove themselves. Waresta Uchali, Waresta Serino, and Waresta Numshish. So I'm sorry, at Downs, Minangoni, they will come fresh mind, Passover fresh Kakulu, Adekemia, Yachuzi. Definitely so Sundowns will win that game. And it's a chatting. Thank you.